Hi everybody, thanks for joining me on this video. Today we're going to talk about the 29M Thor Industries Windsport is what we're looking at today. This is a nice Class A. This is a pre-owned unit, one of many that we have on our lot. This is a 2018. It's going to be on a Ford V10 Triton engine, and let's go around very quickly around the outside, show you a bit of the storage. So first things first, we do have side view cameras right here on the mirror. You're also going to have a backup camera as well. We got nice frameless windows throughout. We've got an armless automatic awning, and if you can see that light strip, that's a light strip that helps, you know, light things up when you're outdoors and maybe camping in the dark and want a little bit of light there. Nice storage unit throughout with light. These are your batteries here, some more storage. This unit does have an outdoor TV and sound system. You've got a bit more storage behind here, and this unit has an outdoor kitchen, so a lot of fun. If you're camping, you can hook up your grill right here. This is a propane exhaust. You can hook up a propane grill right here, so you can do your favorite cooking. You've got storage drawers, even a little mini fridge, so you don't have to go in and out searching for your favorite beverage or anything else that you need to keep cold. Sink, outlet. It is also lit, so again, if you're doing some cooking at night, really great feature there. A lot of people have a lot of fun with that outside kitchen. Full-length ladder to your roof. Again, nice, beautiful frameless windows, so you've got that nice view going out the back of the master. Your backup camera is located right above. 5,000-pound towing hitch. Your bedroom slide. You do have a 5,500 kilowatt awning generator, and that's located right down here. Your electrical outlet, 30 amp electrical outlet, is going to be located here. More storage. I wanted to show you this one specifically because it's a nice pass-through storage. You've got an outside shower, awning topper, and a nice full wall slide that's going to give you plenty of room and space on the inside. And let's go check out that interior right now. All right, so we are inside of the 29M Windsport by Thor Winds. Again, this is a 2018. So I'm going to start here and move my way back. Right here we've got a drop-down bunk. This is an electric bunk, kind of a twin size. You know, not quite a queen. I would call it more of a twin size bed. But you know, you can fit a couple of little ones up there or another adult. You do have some storage cabinets right above there that are gonna move down with the bunk when it comes down. All your usual suspects with the driving components. You do have automatic stabilizers. So with the touch of one finger, you can put all of your jacks down at one time. Fog lights, emergency start, everything that you need up front, your generator start, etc. Moving on back, by the way, the two captain's chairs do rotate fully, so you can have a nice family setting. This does pull out into a queen size bed, so this is a hide-a-bed. This also goes down very easily. It's a dream dinette, so you push the cushions together and that becomes another sleeping area. Nice big windows for natural light. The television is nicely situated. You've got storage cabinets on both ends. Again, that nice full wall slide is going to give you a huge amount of square footage. Really nice. I like the sort of faded glass look that Thor did here. I think it's a really nice touch to the kitchen. Nice adjustable shelves. You got a nice stone countertop here with a double sink. Expansion on the faucet. 3-burner gas stove. Nice backsplash. You've got regular residential microwave with a gas oven. Tons of drawers and storage for your kitchen equipment. You've got a residential all-electric refrigerator, one-door fridge and freezer. Ice trays included. You've got a nice sliding door for the bathroom. that just, when the slides are in, it makes it very easy for you to use the restroom. Huge amount of counter space in an under 30-foot coach. Tons of storage in this restroom also. Nice queen size bed. Master bedroom does have their own CD player, radio, little spot for any equipment that you need if you do a sleep, CPAP machine or anything like that. We've got outlets and everything here for you and space for you to hook those up. Tons of storage, as you can see. It's well lit. This has 2 AC units in the coach. You even have a little bit of extra storage behind the TV. I like to point that out because sometimes it's not so noticeable. Tons of drawer storage here for all of your clothes, extra, hiking, camping equipment. This is your ladder for the bunk bed, little coffee table that you can put up. That's right between the driver's seats when you're parked. And again, that's the back of that window. It lets in a lot of extra light. This is an amazing coach. It's a really great drive if you guys want to come in and test drive this on your own. Again, my name is Emilie.McKennon with Guarantee RV, and my phone number is 512-213-9635, or the office is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519, and until next time, enjoy the road.